Maybe many of you have noticed that Astrid loves to braid Hiccup's hair and that these braids stay there throughout the film, but let me tell you something you haven't noticed. At the beginning of the third film, we see Hiccup with a helmet, but if you look carefully at his hair when he takes off his helmet, you can see that the hair that Astrid braided with her hands is still there because Hiccup never messes them up. If you like it, let me mention one more detail about the third film. At the end of the film, you can see the old Alpha. The reason for this is that Toothless is the new Alpha, and even if he escaped at the end of the second film, he came back for his Alpha.